Hello YouTube, it's the Brick Adjuster here with another episode of Playing with Lego. Today we have two special guests. We have
Big T and Little Buskus.
Big T and Little Buskus. Today we will be reviewing a Lego Creator 3-in-1 set. This is Rainforest Animals. It's set number 31031 and it has 215 pieces. So here we go, enjoy! So here's the first build, and it's a fish. Looks pretty cool. You have the blue and the green colors here with the red fins. You got the eyes and the teeth. So, not quite sure what kind of fish that is. Is it a barracuda? You guys can tell me in the comments if you know what kind of fish this is. But this is the first build. I like it. Here's the second build, and it's a lizard. I think it's an iguana, but I'm not sure. You guys can let me know. But it has a red eye, it has a tongue sticking out, it has movable legs and movable feet. The feet can move as well. And then there's a tail that can move. So it's a nice little build. I think I like the fish better, the first one I did. But this one's good too. On the top we have some scales. And then this is a look from behind. And here's the last build, and we get 3 builds. We got a parrot, we got a frog, and a fly. These are very nice. So let's look at the fly first. Here's a look at the fly from the front. You can see the eyes there and the wings on top. And here's a side view of the flies where you can just see the wings. So here's a front view of the frog. You can see the eyes there and the tongue sticking out. And on top you can see the legs. And here's a side view of the frog. Still you can see the tongue and the legs and the eyes and the back. But the main one is the parrot. This one looks awesome. I love the feathers, the blue and the green. And you got a nice beak there. The parrot mouth can open and shut. And here's a feature of this parrot. If you lift up the tail, it poops out some poop.
Yeah.
And this is how you put the poop back in. You open up the parrot's mouth, and the parrot will eat the poop. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. And then... all done. Big T!
Yeah?
Which is your favorite build?
I like the parrot.
You like the parrot? What do you like about the parrot?
I like how he says, "Bird, I believe I can fly." And then he says, "Eep."
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Little Buskus.
What?
What's your favorite part?
I like the parrot and the fly and
Is the parrot gonna eat the fly?
yeah and
What do you like about the parrot?
oh, he pooped out the fly.
Oh no. Do you like the frog?
Yeah.
Rabbit. What do you like about the parrot besides that stuff?
I don't know.
Do you like the feathers?
I like him. I like when he poops.
Oh. My favorite build of the 3 would have to be the parrot. I love the colorful wings on the feathers here. I love the beak. And I like the way it can talk. Bark! Polly wants a cracker! Bark! If I were to rate this set, I would say get it on clearance. So this concludes this episode of Playing with Lego. This is the Brick Adjuster with
Big T
and
Little basket.
signing off. Thanks for watching, and we will see you guys in another video.